That's a wrap on this week, I guess.
Yeah, they brought us a new lift today. It's not a piece of crap.
Yeah. This has got 200 hours on it. The other one had 3,000.
Yeah, this morning we put the lift on the other side of out in the street actually, and tore the front side of the steeple off at the bottom. Got our temporary beams in there. So Monday we'll be back and we'll get after it Monday, I guess, huh?
Yeah, Monday we're going to be jacking the steeple.
Jack the steeple up. We went and got our new beams. They're sitting over there. So that's it for this week. He was driving that lift through I think it's dirty. He was driving that lift across the parking lot, and when he gets to this kind of spot here, it smashes down about a ½ inch or something. Yeah. Yeah, wherever there's a crack or small spot, that thing. I mean, this thing only weighs, they weigh about 17,000, 14,000, 720. So, pretty heavy. All right.
See y'all next week.
I'm going to try it out and make sure it works. These things will work a little bit off level. It's a tiny bit out. Alright, looks like it's going to work out alright. Some of those lifts are really touchy on the being level. I mean, it's level. It's plenty level. I like it. The way it's leaning just a little this way, which I like better than leaning the other way. So should be fine. We just switched to this. Ben just switched to this harness. It's a Guardian Cyclone harness. It's pretty nice though.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. It's way lighter than the one I had.
Yeah, the other one was like an Amazon special or something. Wasn't too good.
Yeah, this belt's a lot nicer. All the padding's like, it's lighter but way thicker.
Yeah.
So.
Want some major demolition on here.
Ben's just pulling brick off by hand. They don't need any tools for taking brick off.
Holding on there is the tank.
Yeah. These brick are basically sitting in sand. The mortar's totally dead in.
All the mortar.
Nothing. Sand.
This beam just starting to rot. Look at that one. Totally gone. This one's got something left at least. It's not as soft as a sponge.
looks way nicer.
That's what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah, you can actually, not that I need to look at what the things do, but you can actually see them.
Damn, it is windy up here. We're up really high. I mean, you can see there's nothing here around us. The only thing blocking wind is this tree. We're in this little valley, so the wind kind of shoots up off of that hill, I guess, and hits right here, so it's crazy windy. Benjamin made it down in there. Seems good. Tell them what we're worried about this thing blowing off.
Yeah, it's
Because we got to cut everything loose.
super windy up here today and tomorrow. We already got it. Some of the brick loose. Really none of the beams are loose yet, but
Yeah, we got to cut this off. This over there, so this thing will just be sitting on this brick, and we had to chain it down to these beams that we got in here, so this thing can't blow off because it's about 32 foot tall from down here. So we're worried about it blowing off in the wind because it's just going to be kind of sitting here. So what we got to do is we're going to jack these up. Now we're going to jack this up. We're going to take these out, put new ones in, then lower this back down to it. So,
like you're saying, the trick is we got to jack it up and then tie it down,
yeah.
so it doesn't blow off.
So we're temporarily chaining it down today because it's so damn windy, and we're cutting all these brick here out, which was what was holding this thing down, other than these wooden pins that they got drove in there. So probably didn't actually need it, but I don't want to buy a new Steeple, so taking some precautions. Now we gotta get out of here. Alright, I just cleaned the potatoes. Got my air fryer going with the EcoFlow. Piper's starving, of course. I was watching on YouTube the other night, Saucy Seth. I've been watching him for a while. He cooked a baked potato and put pork on it and cheese and sour cream and all that stuff, and it looked awesome. So that's what I'm having. Saucy Seth's recipe for potatoes. Alright, our pork's cooking. We'll do the microwave. Our beans in the microwave.
Got enough on there?
Yeah, no. Good, good.
Yeah. Curly's barbecue pretty good.
Yeah. No sauce on it. That was kind of weird.
Yeah. Well, I got the sauceless one because
Yeah.
we're putting our own sauce on them. They
Yeah.
had a bunch of different
Yeah.
options.
All right, we're gonna eat. Well, that's a wrap on dinner.
Yeah, we're knocked out. We ate way too much.
Piper's finishing hers up. Coffee. Eggs are done. And them down here making sausage. Sausage on the barbie, huh?
Yep.
You get it?
Yep.
Cut the rest of the pins off and then jack this thing up, get it bolted in. We got it chained down with chain binders now. We're gonna loosen them up, jack it up like a 1/2 inch, and then chain it back down so it can't blow off. It's supposed to be 10 to 15 mile an hour wind. Up here I'm not really worried about it blowing off. I think we're alright, but it is a lot more windy up here. And then we're gonna cut these old beams up and get them out of here and slide the new ones in. So hopefully we can get it all done today before it gets dark. How tight's your chain?